Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau. This is an Updesk. You may be asking, what's Updesk? And I'll be like, what's up with you anyway? Okay, we're gonna continue with this review. I think I'm very funny. Now this little guy, you'll notice that it's a standing desk. There's a little lever on the side, and when we squeeze it, it goes up like this. Now be forewarned that you should go up gently or else it'll go up and just kind of slam. And as you can see, it goes up pretty tall like this. I'm 6'2", and so this works absolutely perfectly for my tastes. However, do be aware that once you do squeeze this and then it goes all the way down, there is quite a bit of height right there. I'd say about 3 inches. So be sure to have an adjustable chair that you can bring it up, because on a normal chair, I'm down at this height, but another 3 inches, you're gonna have to bring the chair up to make it comfortable, like so. Very solid. I was surprised how heavy this thing is. So if you're a frail person, you might need 2 people to actually put this in place. But Katie, if you'd like to come over to this side, you will note, as mentioned before, that there's a lever and you just kind of squeeze that and up it goes. And it's kind of this scissor lift type contraption. It's very quiet too, which is nice. So what I like about this is, one, very economical on Amazon.com. I actually have another standing desk from IKEA. It takes forever to raise it because it's a manual crank. You're sitting there going for like 5 minutes trying to get this thing up. You see how fast this is to go up and down. And that's it. Very sturdy. You could put a full iMac on this thing, or this is my MacBook Pro with an additional monitor. Just be sure that there's plenty of slack in the cables, or else you're going to be pulling things off of it when it goes up. Does that make sense? So that's it. 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommended. Very economical, very sturdy, very solid. And that's it. 5 out of 5 stars. My name is Beau. I look forward to testing, demonstrating, and reviewing more fun things here on Amazon.com.